So here we are at Larry Ragle's sale on August the 3rd in the morning. Everything here is from Larry Ragle. There's Fred, Bill, and Matt is manning the post. Here's some trees, so just to give you an idea. You got this is a Femina forest. A lot of small trees, so if you're looking for small trees, great opportunity to come down. If you see something, you can contact Fred directly. He said he'll make sure if it's still available. Like I said, some of this what Larry's really famous for is really his shohin stuff. That's a cool looking pot. That's a really cool looking pot. So it has a lot of cool pots. That's a really cool bigay probably. He has some really shohin. So again, Larry's known for shohin. I wish I did this a little earlier in my filming wise. There is some really cool trees that you could use. So some porcelain berries, some ficuses. Look at that ficus, that's kind of cool. So just some opportunities here. Again, this helps out.
Does it go faster?
Get some pots, really cool. Some handmade pots. That's probably legal. That's a Larry pot. That's kind of cool. So that's kind of interesting. Really interesting trees. Some more expensive trees here. If you're looking for some bigger trees, it's kind of interesting. I didn't know Larry actually did pottery. So you got some interesting slab pots here that Larry had. Again, Larry actually did shohin, so he's gonna have a lot more of those shohin size.
Oh no, we had traffic Temecula.
And you got some other Kathy Bone. It's got some Kathy Bone pots. Look at that. That's kind of interesting pot too. Oh, look at this little monster. Really cool. Nice base. It's regrowing its top. It's really interesting. Some of these Femina, sorry. Little brain fart there for a couple seconds here. Oh, that's kind of unusual pot. Older commercial pot there. Love the glaze, little crackle. There's another ficus, a little fatty, a little chunky fatty there. That's pretty cool.
Tom can't have any, but you can.
And there you go.
In the back.
I love the
Here.
It's probably like gonna be
That's a long Jim Barrett pot. Really unusual.
50 minutes from here. And it's 100 I think,
yeah.
So
I come down here.
there you go. I think those are Fred's items. Well, that's California. Look at that. How much is that going for? No price tag. Let me give a shout out and see how much that one's going for. But again, here's just an idea. Again, if items don't sell in time, contact Fred directly. I'll put Fred's contacts in the description if you want to contact Fred. That's kind of cool. That's a cool cascade.
Your pots are probably going to at least double in size.
I think what's in the box. I'm always interested in what's in boxes. That's kind of an old box there. Look at that one. Oh, they're mom-made pots. Look at that. That's kind of cool. Gives you just an idea. That's my name. That's bigay. I knew that was a bigay off the back. 170 for a rice husker. It's kind of cool. That's a really cool color though. It's almost like a greenish, can't really tell, greenish brown. Trees under $100.
Like, really?
That's where I kind of aim for.
No, I don't grab
But yeah,
anything. Actually,
there you
I
go.
brace myself this
Yes,
way.
they say. Yeah,
I do
no.
this. I don't.
Yes,
But
Bill,
she
if
doesn't
Bill
really
wants to
have
say
it.
anything here.
Can you cause more problems? Will you stop?
Hi, Fred. Look, they're running. Look at this one.
Well, we're here selling Larry Regle's estate trees and pots. And so we're hopefully, we set up a scholarship fund in his name. And all the proceeds from today's sale is going to go to the scholarship fund to fund a couple of bonsai enthusiasts, both in the LA area and the San Diego area.
Awesome. And of course, if anything does not sell, and if you see something, go contact you, right?
Yeah.
I'll leave everything information for you
Yeah.
downstairs. Thank you so much, Fred. And I'll see you about go shopping now.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.